जय माता जी एवरीवन। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो देवी सब प्राणियों में शक्ति रूप में स्थित है उनको नमस्कार नमस्कार बारंबार नमस्कार है।
Hello children, I am again here your EVS teacher and today we are going to learn exercise part of science chapter 1. The name of the chapter is safety rules. So let's start with that. First exercise is let us do. So here you need to have the spellings of given words and identify what is given over here. So first answer is knife, second answer is matchbox, third answer is blade and fourth answer is crackers. So finish it up. Now time to answer. First one, burn crackers in the presence of dash. हमें क्रैकर्स जो है वो किसके प्रेजेंस में बर्न करने चाहिए? द आंसर इज एल्डर्स. We must stand in dash while getting on the bus. Whenever we are getting on the bus, what we have to do? We have to make a queue and we have to calmly get in and get out of the bus. Third one, always cross the road at the dash crossing. Answer is zebra crossing. So we have to use zebra crossing for crossing the roads. Dash sharpen pencils with a blade. Do not sharpen pencils with a blade. Fifth one, never dash your friends while playing. Never push your friends while playing. Now time to answer given on page number 110. Strike out the incorrect word. First one, first aid is the help given to a healthy or injured person. First aid is a help which should be given to injured person. So healthy is wrong. So strike it out. Second one, you should clean the wound with cold drink or clean water. So we have to clean our wound with clean water. Okay, so cold drink is a wrong word. So we have to strike it out. Third one, do not or always crowd around an injured person. So here we should not crowd around injured person. So always is the wrong answer. So strike it out. Let us practice exercise. Question number A. Write true or false. First one. Hands should be dry when using electrical appliances. Whenever we are using any of the electrical appliances, we should dry our hands first. We should not touch the electrical appliances with wet hands. Okay. So यहाँ पर गीले हाथों से इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस का यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए या फिर हमारे हैंड्स सूखे होने चाहिए. सो इट इज़ ट्रू. सेकेंड वन, प्लेइंग विथ फायर इज़ डेंजरस. यस, इट इज़ अगेन ट्रू. हमें फायर से नहीं खेलना चाहिए या फिर फायर से खेलना डेंजरस है. थर्ड वन, accidents occur when people follow safety rules. Whenever people are following safety rules, accidents occur. No, it is wrong. Whenever people are following safety rules, they can avoid accidents. So it is false. Fourth one, play football on the road. It is again false. रोड पर कभी फुटबॉल खेला जाता है? नहीं खेला जाता है. Fifth one, first aid is given to an injured person. Yes, it is absolutely true. And sixth one, do not walk on a footpath. No, it is false. Now, question B, fill in the blanks. First one, wear only dash clothes when you go near candles or gas stoves? It is cotton clothes. So the cotton does not catch fire easily. If the cloth is silk or like any artificial material, it catches fire very easily. So we should not wear other than cotton clothes whenever you are going near the fire or gas stove. Second one, cross the roads at dash crossing. Cross the roads at zebra crossing. Third one, red light says dash and green light says dash. Red light says stop and green light says go. Fourth one, we should not touch electrical switches with dash hands. We should not touch electrical switches with wet hands. Fifth one, most accidents occur because of dash. Generally, accident carelessness की वजह से ही होते हैं. So it is carelessness. Most accidents occur because of carelessness. Sixth one, dash is the immediate help given to an injured person. Answer is first aid. Next matching है. First one, red light says answer is B, stop. Second one, green light says answer is A, go. Third one, ambulance is for answer is D, taking patients to hospital. Fourth one, fire brigade is matching with C, putting out the fire. Fifth one, road safety matches with F, zebra crossing. And sixth one, firecrackers matches with E, dangerous to play. So now let's move to exercise number D. Answer the following questions. First one, why do accidents occur? Answer is accidents occur due to minor carelessness. छोटी छोटी carelessness की वजह से accidents हो जाते हैं. Next, second one, what care should you take while crossing a road? Answer is, while crossing the road, we should look on both the sides. रोड में क्रॉस करने से पहले दोनों तरफ हमें देखना चाहिए. यूज़ द जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. बिजी रोड्स को क्रॉस करने के लिए जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग का यूज़ करना चाहिए. फॉलो ट्रैफिक लाइट्स एंड रोड साइंस. ट्रैफिक लाइट्स और रोड साइंस को प्रॉपरली फॉलो करना चाहिए. यूज़ द सबवे इन केस ऑफ बिजी रोड्स. बिजी रोड्स के लिए हमें सबवे यूज़ करना चाहिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what rules should you follow in the playground? Answer is, we should follow the following rules in the playground. Never push your friends while playing. खेलते वक्त कभी भी अपने दोस्त को, फ्रेंड को पुश नहीं करना चाहिए. Follow all the rules of the games you play. कोई भी गेम अगर हम खेल रहे हैं तो उसके सारे ही रूल्स हमें फॉलो करने चाहिए. Always wait for your turn on the swings. कभी भी स्विंग्स पर हम जाते हैं तो हमें हमेशा अपना टर्न आने पर ही स्विंग के नज़दीक जाना चाहिए. तब तक नहीं जाना चाहिए, दूर खड़े रहना चाहिए. एंड फ्लाई काइट्स इन एन ओपन ग्राउंड. कभी भी हमें टेरेस पर अकेले काइट फ्लाई करने नहीं जाना चाहिए. Fourth question, what is first aid? Answer is, first aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives. फर्स्ट एड एक इमीडिएट हेल्प है, तुरंत ही दी जाने वाली हेल्प जो इंजर्ड पर्सन को दी जाती है डॉक्टर के आने से पहले. फिफ्थ वन, हाउ कैन यू सेलिब्रेट दिवाली सेफली? आंसर इज, we can celebrate Diwali safely by following the rules given below. First one, wear only cotton clothes while lighting crackers. Second one, always burn crackers in the presence of an elder. These are the two very important rules we should follow on Diwali. Next question, sixth one, what rules should be followed on road? Answer is, the rules to be followed on the road are: follow traffic lights and road signs. First one. Second one, before crossing the road, look on both the sides. Third one, always try to use subway to cross busy roads. And fourth one, wear seat belts while riding a vehicle. These are four very important rules should be followed on the road. Next question. What should be done if someone burns his or her hand? किसी का हाथ जल जाए तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? When someone burns his or her hand, place the burn area under cool running water and apply ointment. सबसे पहले तो जिस जगह पर वो जल गए हैं उस पार्ट को ठंडे पानी के नीचे वॉश करना चाहिए और फिर उसके ऊपर ऑइंटमेंट लगाना चाहिए सो दैट जलन कम हो जाए और अच्छा लगे. Here we end up with all the exercise of this chapter. Again we will meet with some new learnings. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day, kids. Bye.